In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable auto delete messages on your Telegram group. So if your messages are usually auto deleted after a specific period of time, you can disable this and make your messages or your conversations permanent on your group, and anyone who is a group member can find them. To do so, just open your group, and mine is here, boys group. Now the next thing you need to do is to tap on the group and then choose the three dots here, and then you'll see auto delete option is available here. As you can see, mine is set to 1 month. That's 1M, it means 1 month, and all messages that are older than 1 month are usually auto deleted. So if you tap on it, you can see we have an option to disable the selected time. So I'll go ahead and disable messages from being auto deleted by just tapping on this, and as you can see, auto delete is now disabled. So it means the messages that are on my group will permanently remain on the group unless otherwise I delete them. So that's how you disable auto delete on your Telegram group. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.